there this morning. Not much of it reaching the ground, but there's snow on the radar. You see how everything's kind of in a half circle? That surrounds the radar site right here in northern Johnston County. So the fact that it's not showing up near the radar, well, first of all, it means it's still moving in. Also means most of this is evaporating before it actually reaches the ground. The radar beam looks farther off the ground as the Earth kind of curves away from that straight line. Sounds complicated. What it means is you don't have anything to worry about this morning. Just don't be surprised if you get a flurry or a sprinkle on your windshield this morning. And then things move off to the east already as we head towards midday. Skies even clear out by this afternoon. Those decreasing clouds overhead, a lot of the sunshine through. It's just not going to warm us up at all. It's going to be a chilly, breezy afternoon overall. 41 degrees the temperature right now in Smithfield. Looking okay in Johnston County. Dry roads there. Dry roads in Goldsboro as well. Everything lit up for Christmas. 41 degrees the current temperature in Goldsboro too. Most ratings around 40 degrees in the Triangle, 40 Raleigh and Cary, 39 Durham and in Chapel Hill, 36 degrees in Lewisburg. It is chillier the farther north you go, but everyone's temperatures are above freezing. So even if we had some more substantial snow showers actually reaching ground level, the ground is warm. Air temperatures are above freezing. It's not going to stick. In fact, it's going to melt on impact. No problems on the roads. 43 degrees right now, Fayetteville, Eastover, and Stedman. You are warm spots across all of central North Carolina. It's going to be a chilly dog walking day. We got a cute dog of the day, though. Say hello to Pinky. Thank you to Joy for sharing Pinky with us. Just kind of chilling out on the pillow there, and that sounds like a pretty good idea. Temperatures are only going to warm up to the mid-40s this afternoon. Any chance of a passing shower will go by the boards by about midday. Decreasing clouds overhead throughout the afternoon and this evening, which means temperatures will drop off quickly after the sun goes down. We'll end up in the upper 20s by tomorrow morning. Hour-by-hour temperatures today, not warming up fast. We'll be in the low 40s still by noon, right around 40 for the Virginia state line. A little farther into the 40s, farther south, but I think even in Fayetteville, Rayford, Clinton, you're going to stay just short of 50 degrees, or at best warm up to exactly 50, and that's 10 degrees below average for our southern counties. 46 degrees in the Triangle, about 10 or 11 degrees below average for us as well. Of course, all eyes on the weekend. I want to show you two different forecast models side by side so you can get an idea how complicated this forecast is as we head through the weekend. So we'll start Saturday morning, and they agree that Saturday morning starts off dry. Got the European forecast model and the American forecast model, one of which brings the precipitation in as a mixture of rain and snow already Saturday night. The other one holds it off to our southwest until very late Saturday night into early Sunday morning. They agree that we're going to see that mixture of rain, sleet, and snow changing over to cold rain during the day on Sunday, but then they diverge once again. This is the complicated part of the forecast for us, trying to figure out exactly what's going to happen. I think we're likely to see cold rain continuing and then a changeover to a mixture of rain, sleet, and snow again before everything winds down Monday night into early Tuesday morning. But again, the other forecast model pushes everything offshore even faster. At this point, it is too soon to be worried about any travel impacts. The odds of seeing a significant amount, enough to mess up the roads, basically, of sleet or snow go up as you head farther west, especially the mountains of western North Carolina and across central North Carolina. The farther southeast you go, much lower chance. The farther west and northwest you go, a higher chance, and we're going to keep an eye on that specific storm path as we head through the next several days. But the storm itself is still just barely into the United States. It's out along the Pacific coast at the moment. It's got a long way to go before it moves towards us, so we will keep you updated. But at least it's over land. We can get some weather balloons into it, get some data, and hopefully that'll narrow down the range of possibilities. What we know is it'll be gross, especially Sunday. Cold rain at minimum, possibly mixed with some other stuff as well.
Yeah, sometimes it's almost like if it's that cold and pure rain, I'd rather just have it be snow because, I don't know. It's
unless you're traveling. And then
for sure. Yeah.
Yeah. So
I'm talking about like if you're just in your house looking out the window.
Yeah, exactly.
You don't have to go to the grocery store. Something simple like that. All right, well, it's 6:20 this morning on this Wednesday.